Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly remarkable to share with you. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the latest innovation from Dell, the Dell XPS 17 laptop. Get ready to witness the cutting-edge technology and exceptional performance that has made the Dell XPS lineup a favorite among professionals and creatives alike. A close-up of a sleek and modern Dell XPS 17 laptop. Host. Hey there, everyone. We are Digital Glassing, and we are absolutely thrilled to present you with the brand new Dell XPS 17. This laptop is the epitome of power, performance, and portability. So, without further ado, let's explore its impressive features and understand why it's generating so much excitement in the tech community. Some text goes here. First off, let's talk about the design. The Dell XPS 17 boasts a visually stunning, ultra-slim chassis that's crafted from premium materials. With its sleek aluminum body and carbon fiber palm rest, it exudes elegance and sophistication. But it's not just about looks. The Dell XPS 17 features an absolutely breathtaking display that will leave you speechless. It comes with a stunning 17-inch InfinityEdge display that offers incredibly sharp visuals and lifelike colors. The bezels are incredibly thin, maximizing your viewing area and providing an immersive experience whether you're working, editing videos, or enjoying multimedia content. When it comes to user experience, Dell has left no stone unturned. The keyboard on the Dell XPS 17 is backlit, ensuring you can work comfortably even in low-light environments. The touchpad is spacious and responsive, making navigation a breeze. The keys provide a satisfying typing experience, allowing for efficient and accurate input. Now let's take a look at connectivity. The Dell XPS 17 is equipped with a wide range of ports to meet all your needs. It includes Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB Type-C ports, an SD card slot, and more, ensuring you can connect your favorite peripherals and accessories without any hassle. Whether you need to transfer files, connect to external displays, or charge your devices, this laptop has got you covered. Under the hood, the Dell XPS 17 packs an incredible punch. It is powered by the latest generation Intel Core processors, offering exceptional speed and performance for demanding tasks. The available configurations allow you to choose between powerful processors, ample RAM, and spacious SSD storage options, so you can customize the laptop to meet your specific requirements. Speaking of performance, the Dell XPS 17 is a beast when it comes to handling demanding workloads. Whether you're a professional video editor, a data scientist, or a graphic designer, this laptop can handle it all. With its powerful graphics card and ample memory, you can breeze through complex tasks and render high-resolution videos without breaking a sweat. Now, let's address an essential aspect: thermal management. The Dell XPS 17 features an advanced cooling system that keeps the laptop running cool even during extended usage. The innovative thermal design, including dual fans and a vapor chamber, ensures efficient heat dissipation, preventing performance throttling and maintaining optimal performance. Lastly, let's talk about battery life. The Dell XPS 17 comes with a long-lasting battery that can keep up with your productivity needs. Whether you're working on the go or enjoying entertainment during a long flight, you can rely on the Dell XPS 17 to provide you with hours of uninterrupted usage. And there you have it, folks, the incredible Dell XPS 17 laptop. With its stunning display, powerful performance, and sleek design, it's truly a game changer. Whether you're a professional, a creative, or a tech enthusiast,